As AI continues to get better and better at everything that humans do, what do you think is the biggest thing that makes us humans special?
Look, I think it's tough to I mean, the essence of humanity. There's something about you know the consciousness we have, what makes us uniquely human. Maybe the lines will blur over time, and it's tough to articulate. But hopefully, we live in a world where if you make resources more plentiful and make the world lesser of a zero-sum game over time, right? And which it's not, but it's, in a resource-constrained environment, people perceive it to be, right? And and so I hope the values of what makes us uniquely human, empathy, kindness, all that surfaces more is the aspirational hope I have.
Yeah, it multiplies the compassion, but also the curiosity. Just the banter, the debates we'll have about the meaning of it all, and I also think in the scientific domains, all the incredible work that DeepMind is doing, I think we'll still continue to explore scientific questions, mathematical questions, physics questions, even as AI gets better and better at helping us solve some of the questions. Sometimes the question itself is the really difficult thing.
Both the right new questions to ask and the answers to them, and the self-discovery process which it'll drive, I think. Our early work with both co-scientists and Alpha Evolve just super exciting to see.
What gives you hope about the future of human civilization?
Look, I'm an optimist, and I look at, um, if you were to say you take the journey of human civilization, it's been, we've relentlessly made the world better, right, in many ways. At any given moment in time, there are big issues to work through. It may look, but I always ask myself the question: would you have been born now or any other time in the past? I most often, not most often, almost always would rather be born now, right? And so that's the extraordinary thing the human civilization has accomplished, right? And and we've kind of constantly made the world a better place. And so something tells me, as humanity, we always rise collectively to drive that frontier forward. So I expect it to be no different in the future.
I agree with you totally. I'm truly grateful to be alive in this moment, and I'm also really excited for the future. And the work you and the incredible teams here are doing is one of the big reasons I'm excited for the future. So thank you. Thank you for all the cool products you've built, and please don't kill Google Voice. Thank you, Sundar.
We won't, yeah.
Thank you for talking today. This was incredible. Thank you.
Real pleasure. Appreciate it.